my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. I am going to take you guys along with me today, show you guys what I eat in a day. I have not been doing strict low carb for the past few weeks. I am more kind of focused on like whole foods right now and just, you know, incorporating like just everything into my diet, and I'm still losing weight. So I think my mind just like is always like low carb, low carb, low carb. So I naturally gravitate towards things that are lower carbs, but I have been having just like carbs more than usual into my diet. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today, show you guys what I eat in a day. Today is a work from home day, and it has been pretty hectic around here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Okay guys, so I just threw bacon in the air fryer. I'm gonna make 2 eggs over hard and then maybe add some fruit. So yeah, let's have breakfast. Alright guys, and this is breakfast. We have 2 eggs over hard. We have half an apple. I was gonna have peanut butter with it, but I can't find my peanut butter. So just apples and then 2 thick slices of bacon. And yeah, this is going to be my breakfast. And you guys know I need to add hot sauce. So this is my 2 times spicy hot sauce. We're gonna add it right on the eggs. And I know apples are not considered low carb, but I need to add a fruit or a vegetable to like every meal, I realize. So that's what I'm doing. And even though it's not low carb, it's not bad for you, you know? So apples, fruits, vegetables, they're always good for you. So let's have breakfast. I'm so excited. I ordered a new Christmas tree this year, and I ordered it yesterday, and I just got a notification saying that it's gonna arrive here in like 10 minutes. So I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm going to actually put it up today, but we will see. All right, so let's have breakfast, and then I will see you guys at lunch. Okay guys, it is like 12 o'clock. I had my breakfast this morning, but now I feel like I need coffee. So we are making coffee with the Keurig right now, and then I don't have like any creamer, or I don't even think I have sugar. So we're just gonna do 2% milk and just hope for the best. I know it's gonna be bitter, but that's okay, but because I need coffee. So it's a little loud. Yes, I am using Jamal's Colts cup because all the other mugs are dirty. So, just gonna add milk, lots of it. Okay. It's okay. It's not sweet, I'll tell you that, but it'll do the trick. So, a little pick-me-up, some black coffee with a little bit of 2%. I am in the middle of trying to put our Christmas tree up. I don't know which way. Oh, it's right there. And so I need to take a break because I'm hungry. So I got a special delivery yesterday. I'm so excited that I have it here now because I don't feel like going out to get lunch and maybe dinner too, but we're gonna grab it out of the fridge and we're gonna enjoy lunch. So let me show you guys what I got. And I also got smoothies, so we're gonna enjoy a mango smoothie as well. I love receiving my factor box each month because it takes the stress out of meal planning and it sets me up for success. These are fresh, never frozen meals. You get to skip the grocery stores, skip the prep work and cooking fatigue. Instead, you can enjoy stress-free and Factor's delicious ready-to-eat meals delivered straight to your door. You can choose from a weekly menu of 35 options, including popular options like Calorie Smart, Keto, Protein Plus, or Vegan and Veggie. I wanted to switch it up this month, so I got Chef's Choice, and I'm so happy. Also, you can discover more than 60 add-ons like breakfast, on-the-go lunches, snacks, beverages, and snack options like breakfast, smoothies, juices, small bites, and more to help you stay fueled and feel good all day long. No matter what's going on the schedule, Factor is here to help. We got mango smoothies this month, and my family and I are so happy. There's only 100 calories per bottle. It's so good, so refreshing, and it's just so easy. I think I'm gonna go with this creamy tomato pork chop. So it's a creamy tomato pork chop with sauteed spinach, and it has garlic and chive cauliflower. So easy. We're just gonna throw this in the microwave, and then we will enjoy our lunch. Every fresh, never frozen meal is restaurant quality, chef crafted, dietitian approved, and ready to eat in just 2 minutes. Head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code 50KIM to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Factor box. That's code 50KIM at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. Okay guys, we have our Christmas tree out. I had lunch. We're just gonna eat a little snack before dinner. I don't know what we're having for dinner yet, but I have a cucumber here, and I also made some tuna the other day. So we are just going to have cucumbers, like I have like my cracker with the tuna. So let me actually wash this and cut them into like little pieces. So did you guys put your Christmas tree up yet? And if you did, let me know. If you haven't yet, let me know when. I know a lot of people usually wait until Thanksgiving. I have my cucumbers. And I usually would wait, I feel like Thanksgiving as well, but I bought a new tree this year, so I was excited to put it up. So as soon as it was delivered, I put it up, as you guys saw. I'm not gonna show you guys yet because it's like not decorated or anything. So I think the kids and I are gonna have like a Christmas night or a night where we put on our Christmas pajamas. I literally just spent like over $100 on Christmas pajamas for all of us. So we're gonna put those into a good use. And we'll probably just decorate. Maybe we'll do it this weekend. I'm not sure yet, but all right. So just a little snack. So we have our cucumber and our tuna. And cheers. It's so refreshing with the cold cucumber. Whoop! Cold tuna. It's super refreshing. The kids have been wanting pizza, so maybe I'll order pizza tonight for them. Cucumbers here, have a little snack, and I'll see you guys at dinner. So for dinner, we just ended up having kibasi and green beans. So that's what I made, and this was dinner. I'm sorry that it wasn't as exciting, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!